Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by placing the reel securely on the rod and making sure the line spool feeds from the correct direction. Thread the line through the tip top first, then back down to the nearest guide. This prevents twists. Once done, hold the line lightly with one finger to maintain tension. Make sure to close the reel bail or engage the drag so the line doesn't tangle. These first steps set proper line path and tension. They reduce wind knots and improve casting later. Now you methodically feed the line from the tip down through every guide toward the reel, keeping steady tension, about 1 to 2 pounds, to prevent loops. As you wind, watch the line seat evenly on the spool. If it stacks to one side, flip the spool or reverse direction. Once the line reaches the reel, thread under the spool lip and tie a proper arbor knot. This secures the line to the spool. Make sure to trim tag ends cleanly so they don't snag during winding. You finish by winding the line onto the spool while maintaining tension. Use your finger or a cloth to guide it so wraps are tight and even. Stop when the line is about 1/8 inch from the spool rim to avoid overfilling. Once done, run a length through the guides and tie your terminal tackle or lure. If you notice twists or loops, remove and flip the spool, then rewind. If slippage appears at the knot, cut, ready, and retest before fishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.